Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you the Dorman quick bleeder, and this is basically the nut that you use to bleed your brakes. And what's special about this is that it's a check valve, meaning that fluid can only go one way, but it can't go the other way, and thus preventing also air from going inside the system. So I've already installed this bleeder in my brake system. It's just like you do in any other ones. You just unscrew it, put the other one, and let me demonstrate how it works by pressing the brake. So first thing you need to do is unscrew it a little because otherwise it's completely sealed, and then go where the driver's seat and press the brake. And when you release the brake, it won't let air go back in the system. Now, don't forget to screw it back tight, and that's it. Put the cap on it, and your job is done. Now, these don't come with caps, so make sure you reuse the old cap or just order some new caps. So this makes it super easy for a DIY to bleed their brakes by themselves, or not even use any special tools, any special bleeders. You don't need a suction cup. You don't need anything but these bleeders, and it's a one-person job. Very, very recommended. One more thing that I wanted to mention is that when you do the bleeding, make sure that the master cylinder reservoir doesn't completely go empty. So from time to time, go and check to see that it's completely full, or at least semi-full, so it doesn't suck air. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. If you have any comments or questions, please put it in the comment box below. Hope you have a great rest of the day, and talk to you later. Bye.